As you can see, there are pretty interesting and cool news about ArtSpace AI. This AI generation tool, I made many videos about it here on my channel, and I want to show you these new AI image tools. They have been released just a few hours ago. But before, let me quickly remind you about the lifetime deal for ArtSpace AI, because this is a very good opportunity if you want to have a tool to generate up to unlimited images for the rest of your life without monthly payments. As you can see, now you have 3 different plans. You can choose the starter lifetime, $69 one-time fee, 300 images per month. You have the Pro lifetime, 1500 images per month for just $169. Or this is the best of all, unlimited lifetime, $269 for unlimited everything. These are the new plans, the 3 plans you have. You also have monthly subscriptions, but this is obviously the best deal. And even more now because you have these new image tools inside of ArtSpace AI. And remember, if you click on the link in the description, when you go to this website and you try to exit here above with the X to close the tab, you can get a 10% off. This is important. Now, when you log in into ArtSpace AI, you find this new window. You can obviously go to the canvas, and this is the other way, the common way you can use ArtSpace AI. I made many videos about the canvas section, but if you go out of canvas here and you want to use the tools, you just need to do like this to switch to tools, and now you have this new window. As you can see here, Flux Context plus Speedream 4.0 plus Nano Banana. This is very famous lately, and with these new AI models, you can have many tools. We've just launched our one-click tools and are continuously polishing them based on your usage. We welcome all feedback. Need a specific tool? Let us know. In fact, you can click on this button here if you miss some of the tools and you can request your specific one. So let's take a look at these new AI tools, one-click tools. We have a popular tools section with new image to create images. This is the most used one. The swap faces, the upscale image. These are the popular ones. But if I go here, I have consistent characters. So you can change a scene of an image, you can change a face expression, you can change a person pose, you can change the hairstyle, you can add a tattoo, for example, you can use this makeup artist one, and again you can change weight, you can change age, you can add accessories, you can add clothing, change clothing, remove accessories, and these are some of the new AI tools. But that's not all. We have AI avatars, so animation avatar, superhero avatar, villain avatar, fantasy avatar, professional, headshot, cyberpunk avatar, and again Halloween avatar, Christmas and Oktoberfest. So all these tools are presets for different ways you can change your images or AI images. And that's not all. Epic scenes, time travel, underwater world, dragon attack, action movie poster, pirate ship battle, Wild West shootout, and again haunted scene, alien invasion, zombie apocalypse, dinosaur rampage, robot invasion, superhero battle. Then we have the product shots, so product lifestyle shot, product color, product material, or we have artistic effects, anime style, Ghibli style, change artistic style, sketch artist, cartoonify image, oil painting effect, and again watercolor effect, renaissance portrait, line art. Going down we have creative enhancements with reimagine, restore old photo, colorize black and white, and again weather and time, change time of the day, change weather, golden hour magic, background tools, so add background, change background, remove background, and text editing, add text, change text, remove text from images, object manipulation, add object, change object, remove object, and real estate tools, exterior enhancement, virtual staging, change flooring, you have pretty much everything. Change wall color, lawn enhancement, declutter room. That's not all, we also have automotive tools, so change car color, car restoration, fix car damage. Obviously, you could use prompts to obtain all these effects by using the canvas section, but here you have something specific, ready to use, and now I want to show you how these tools work, so I will try some of them in this video. So let me try the change pose one. I need to upload an image here. For the sake of this video I will use a stock image, but obviously you can use the image you want. And now I can choose to use some presets, as you can see here, confident standing pose, relaxed sitting position, and so on, or I can use my own prompt and change the pose of this image. Okay, so let's try to use one of these ones. For instance, this thoughtful contemplation. I'm really curious to see if it works, and change pose. Let's wait just a few seconds, and that's it, the same girl in another pose. You can obviously download this image, you can view it larger like this, or you can use it as source. So if I click here, as you can see now this is my source image, because if you want you can make different changes to this pose until you reach the perfect one. And this was the change pose, but let's also try this makeup artist. I will use the same photo, and you can also remove makeup, as you can see here. Let's just try one of these ones. Obviously even here you can customize your prompt, but just for the sake of this example I want to show you these presets because I'm faster. Okay, it's not so different in this case, maybe because this is not an ideal image to use this makeup tool, but let's try another one, glamorous look. Let's see with this one if it changes better. Now we can see some differences in the makeup, and I think it's pretty good as an edit for this image. Let's go to this animation avatar, and this time I will use one of my images. Maybe this one is a difficult one because I also have a cap and glasses, but let's try. So let's use a friendly monster character in factory. Again, these are just presets. If you want to write your prompt, you can write it the way you like. And it's pretty awesome because, as you can see, I really like the fact that the t-shirt is the same, exactly the same, but now I'm an avatar. And this is pretty awesome. I really like these new one-shot AI tools. Let's try another one. I want to try this virtual staging because here we don't have people, but I will use this image. As you can see, it's an empty room, and I choose a dark room because I want to see how this works. So let's use, for example, a luxury upscale prompt, and again virtual staging. Let's see. And here it is. This is my room. It's exactly the same room, the same color, slightly changed the wall color, but as you can see the room is the same now with this staging. So this can be also helpful if you want to try different staging styles for your new house, for example. And again, you have many tools. I already showed you all the tools here. These are new one-shot tools using Flux Context, SpeedDream 4.0 and Nano Banana. And you can get all these new tools and even the AI image generation with Canvas in ArtSpace with this unlimited lifetime deal. If you choose the unlimited plan, let me go here. This is obviously the best value because you have everything unlimited, so unlimited images, unlimited editing, and also priority support. You can see all the features here, all unlimited. If you don't want to commit to this unlimited lifetime, you can choose maybe the Pro lifetime or the Starter lifetime. But remember, 300 images per month. It depends how many images you usually generate and how many times you need to generate an image to get to your result, because we all know with AI image generations sometimes you need to regenerate more times. So this is why I will suggest this one, also because now the starter lifetime doesn't have the canvas mode anymore. So if you want to use the canvas and also the AI tools, you need at least this Pro lifetime. Anyway, the price is still good, especially this one, because you will use this for life and you will get all the updates going forward. This is really important. So that's it for these new 72 one-click AI tools. This is the new update for ArtSpace AI. If you want, link is in the description. Grab your lifetime deal if you want and if you can, and obviously click on the like button, leave your comment below if you like this new update for ArtSpace AI, subscribe to my channel, and if you want you can also watch for my previous videos about ArtSpace AI. That's it, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you soon in the next one.